is day third of my 60 days English learning challenge, and today I am going to talk about confidence. While speaking English, we have many words but we feel nervous. Even I feel nervous. But I am learning not to stop. Today I told myself it is completely okay to make mistake, but it is not okay to give up. So let me share with our grammar tips. We use do and does to ask question in simple present tense. With singular subject we use does. With plural subject we use do. Like, do you practice English daily? And does she practice English daily? Remember one thing, after do and does we always use V1. I know this journey is slow. If you are learning English like me, then practice with me. So see you tomorrow with day 4. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.